Hi guys, and welcome back to Krystal's Catering, the YouTube channel where we make simple yet delicious dishes. Obviously, everyone's aware that there is a coronavirus pandemic at the moment. I just want to say I hope that you're all staying safe, washing your hands regularly, wearing gloves when possible and face masks. I know that they said face masks are not effective, but it's better to be safe than sorry, and I just wanted you to know that I'm praying for you all. On today's show, I will be making a beef and spinach stew with a boiled coconut rice. I am limited to the ingredients that I will be using today because obviously I don't really want to go outside to do a food shop, so I'm just using the ingredients I do have. I'm certain that my dish is going to be just as tasty and delicious as usual. But yeah, if you haven't done so already, then please like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get cooking.
I've got a mixture of onions. I've got spring onions, regular onions and a red onion. I've got my garlic there. I've got my coconut milk, my chopped tomatoes, my palm oil. I also have an OXO cube. I usually use Maggi, but I've got to use what I've got in my house. And then for my seasonings, I've got mixed herbs, basil, all-purpose. Also got garlic powder at the back there, black pepper and hot chili powder. I might use something more, might use a little less, but these are the basics today. Also, I have my blender that I'm going to be using, just to blend all of the tomatoes and the vegetables together. But yeah, these are the basic ingredients of what I need, and also including rice.
Put it up into some fine chunks. I have washed it already in lemon juice. I don't care what nobody says, you will never stop me washing my meat. So yeah, I'm just going to take off any fat as well. The perfect sizes that I prefer to use. Nice pieces of steak.
Don't wanna talk about it, don't wanna leave without it. Give me the night without it. You'll be like this, so call me when you know it. You gave me love to call me when you need it. Just say the word and I'll come running to you. You'll be like this, so call me when you know it. If you find we can make it, you must it, 'cause it's fine. If you find we can make it, you must it, 'cause it's fine. Jules, baby.
So I've just washed my rice. I like to wash my rice about 20 times just because I'm really conscious of getting as much starch out of it as possible. But obviously each to their own. I've just stirred around my coconut milk. You can use whatever brand you like. And I'm going to pour in almost all of it, but I want to leave a little bit for the actual stew because I love putting coconut milk with all my meats. So I'm just going to cover the rice with a lot of coconut milk. And I've left like about a quarter, I've left about a quarter for the stew. With my rice, I always use the same amount of water, same amount of liquids as rice. So I've just put 3 cups of rice in here, and I've also used about half a cup of coconut milk, so I'm going to add 2.5 cups of water, if that makes sense. So the amount of rice always has to be balanced with the amount of liquids, and always remember that if you use coconut milk or if you use rice and peas and you're using the peas juice, to always substitute that from the amount of water. And also just remember that the rice has gone this colour because of the coconut milk. I washed it plenty of times to get out the starch. Yummy, it smells great, it looks great, and I just can't wait to add it to the stew.
talk about it. Don't wanna leave without it. Give me a night without it. Don't wanna talk about it. Don't wanna leave without it. Give me a night without it. You'll be like this.
Tomatoes, seasoning, and 3 lots of onions and garlic. So here's my beef that I've put down quite a bit. Just going to add this to the stew.
Get that all in there. Smells so good. Oh my days.
Rice. Nice and fluffy. This is how rice should be. I don't like it all sticking together. Just should be able to separate perfectly, and that's how you know you've got good rice and you've got rid of a lot of the starch. It smells coconutty. So yeah, this is really good coconut basmati rice. And that seems like it's done to me. It smells so good. Food is ready. I can finally eat. I can't wait. I'm actually so excited. I'm so hungry. You don't understand. Oh my days. This is what I needed. I bet you wish you was here right now. Until next time, guys. See you soon.